Controlling multiple LED assembly components required NodeMCU, IC7805, 4 LEDs, one 220 ohm resistor, a 9-volt battery snapper and a breadboard. 9-volt battery. First of all, place the LEDs on the breadboard. Now take the male to female jumper wire and connect the positive of the first LED to the D1 pin of the NodeMCU, the positive of the second LED to the D2 pin of the NodeMCU, the positive of the third LED to D3 pin of the NodeMCU, and the positive of the fourth LED to the D4 pin. Now connect the negative, that is the cathode of the LED, to the negative line of the breadboard. Connect all of them so that they get shorted. Now place the voltage regulator on the breadboard. Take a 220 ohm resistor. Connect its one terminal to the negative line where all the cathode of the LEDs are connected, and the other terminal to the ground pin of the voltage regulator. Now take the battery stepper, connect its negative to the ground pin of the voltage regulator and the positive to the input pin of the voltage regulator. Then take another male to female jumper wire, connect it to the Vout pin of the voltage regulator and to the Vin pin of the NodeMCU. Similarly, take another wire, connect it to the ground pin of the voltage regulator and the ground pin of the NodeMCU. There are 4 ground pins on the NodeMCU. You can connect it to any one. So we can connect the NodeMCU to the battery for the power, or we can directly use the USB port and connect it to the NodeMCU for powering.
So after doing the hardware connection, now we will do the configuration in the Blynk website. So we will click on the link. Once the Blynk website opens, click on login. So here first we will click on the developer zone and then click on new template. Give the name as multiple LED. You can give anything. Select the board hardware as ESP8266, connection type as Wi-Fi and click on done. The template is created. Now click on data stream. So here, since we are controlling 4 LEDs, so we will be creating 4 data stream. So click on new data stream, select virtual pin, give the first name as LED 1, select the virtual pin as V0, data type as integer, minimum value 0 and maximum value 1, and click on create. Then click on again on new data stream, select virtual pin, give the name as LED 2, select the virtual pin as V0, data type integer, minimum value 0 and maximum value 1. Similarly, we will create 2 more data streams for the third and fourth LED. So select the virtual pin, give the name as LED 3 and select the virtual pin as V2. Then click on create. Lastly, LED 4, virtual pin V3 and click on create. So our 4 data stream is created. Now we will click on the web dashboard. Now we will, from the widget box, we will select switches. So since we are having 4 LED, we will be selecting 4 switch. So now click on the setting of the first switch and select the data stream as LED 1 and then click on save. Similarly do it for the other. Select each data stream for each switch. So we have created the switches for each LED and now click on save. So our template is created with 4 switches and now we will create the device. So click on devices, click on new device and then click on from template. Then click on choose template, select the template as multiple LED and click on create. So once this is created, we will get our template ID, template name and auth token. So and if you click on the dashboard now, you can see your second device. So this is done. Now we will do the coding.
Mobile configuration for controlling multiple LED. First of all, open the Blynk app. Then, as you can see, there are 2 templates. This is the control multiple LED template. Click on this template. Then click on the setting option and then click on the plus option. Select button. Since there are 4 LEDs, we are going to select 4 buttons. So click on the first button selected. Choose the data stream as LED 1. I will change the color of the button. So here, changing the color to red. Now we will go back. See, it is showing the data stream in the button. Similarly, I will add 3 more buttons. Choosing the data stream of the second button as LED 2 and changing its color.
We have done the configuration. Now we will do the coding. So this is the coding for the multiple LED. So first here we have included the Blynk template ID and Blynk template name to connect our NodeMCU to the cloud template we have created. Then here we have given the token and then we have included the ESP8266 and the Blynk simple ESP8266 library. So we have included this library because the ESP8266 Wi-Fi library is used to connect the NodeMCU to the Wi-Fi and the Blynk library handles the communication between our NodeMCU and the Blynk IoT cloud. And then we have defined the pins D1, D2, D3 and D4. We have given the name as Light 1, Light 2, Light 3 and Light 4. And then we have given the credentials like our auth, the Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi password. And then we have given Blynk write V0. This is for the virtual pin handler. So these functions are automatically called when the button in the Blynk app is pressed. So here when we Blynk write V0, it receives the value when the button V0 is toggled in the app and the param.asInt gets the value as 1 or 0 and accordingly using the digital write function we turns the LED on or off. The same logic is applied for the other virtual pins. Now in the void setup we have start the serial monitor at 9600 baud rate, declared the LED pins as output and initially we have kept the LED pins low as turned off and then we have given blink.begin In the arguments we have given auth SSID password Blynk IoT. This is used to connect our NodeMCU to the Blynk cloud server using the credential, and in the void loop we have given blynk.run. This is essential. It runs the Blynk library to keep the connection between the NodeMCU and the Blynk server alive.
After the coding is done, we will click on Tools, select the board and then under ESP8266 we will select either NodeMCU 0.9 or NodeMCU 1.0. Then again under port we will select the required COM port and then click on upload. Your code will be uploaded to the NodeMCU. Output of controlling multiple LED using the Blynk phone app. So open the Blynk app, click on the template, control multiple LED. As you can see, we have added 4 buttons. Now, if I press on the first button, my first LED is glowing. Again, and it's showing on. Now, if I press again, it shows off and my LED has turned off. Similarly, the second LED on, off, third LED on, off, fourth LED on, off. Thank you. Output of controlling multiple LED using Blynk Cloud. So first of all, open the Blynk website, click on login. So it's showing the 2 devices we have created. Click on the control multiple LED device. As you can see in the dashboard, there are 4 switches for the 4 LED. So when I click on the first switch, my first LED is glowing. And if I turn it off, it turns off. Similarly, the second LED. And now it has turned off. Now click on the third. And has turned off. And lastly, the fourth LED, it's turned on now. And when I turned it off, it turns off. Thank you.